this right here. Hey everybody, welcome back. So we're cooking up some fish. Alright, now I went ahead and picked this up from Dollar Tree, which it featured in one of my hauls that I purchased from a Dollar Tree. So I'm gonna give it a try. I'm just gonna go ahead and open it up. And yes, it's packaged very well. So I'm just going to go ahead and start adding in some seasonings, which is lemon pepper. And I'm also going to add in some onion powder because I love a lot of onion powder in my cooking. I don't know if I stated that before, but it is so true. I love it. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and make sure I add in some black pepper, and that should be enough. It's your choice if you want to add in a lot or just a little bit. It just depends on how you like your food seasoning. And I did pick up some Red Lobster seasoning too as well, and I'm going to go ahead and put that in there as well. I'm going to spice it up, make it spicy, spice it up with some cayenne pepper. I did add in some chives. Those are those green specks that you see inside of the batter. Okay, and I think that the consistency is very good. I'm putting in more cayenne pepper. I guess I just wanted it very spicy. It's your choice how you like yours. So I'm just going to give everything a stir with a fork just to blend all of the seasonings together. Alright, let's go ahead and crack an egg because now we're making a wet mixture. So I'm just going to crack in a bowl, which is going to be 1 egg. I'm going to add in some homogenized milk to the bowl, and I'm just going to go ahead and blend those two together, whip it up just so that everything will be blended together for the fish. Okay, now both of the wet mixtures are blended well. What I'm going to do is just let it sit and rest for no more than about 3 minutes. Okay, now that my fish is all nice and clean and patted dry, I'm just going to go ahead and make sure that there is no remaining water on the fish. And now I'm just going to go ahead and dip it in the egg and milk just to give the fish a nice coating, because this just go ahead and make your fish a little bit crispier. I don't know, it just gives it a very good, awesome flavor. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to put it inside and shake it up a little bit. It's up to you. You know, back in the day when I was a kid, my mom and my grandmother, they used to put their meat inside of paper bags. So, but it's up to you if you want to just go ahead and use a container, a bowl, and mix yours all together. And so you're going to go ahead and repeat the same step And if you have shrimp, do the same thing as well. So here's my nice hot grease. You can use canola oil or vegetable oil, which it doesn't matter to me, but I prefer canola oil. So I'm just going to drop that into its golden crisp on both sides. And yes. Alright, it's coming along. So it should look something like this. Just make sure that it's crispy enough, because I have a pet peeve about my fish splitting. So I'm going to make sure that it's nice and crisp, and I'm going to use the sides to help flip it over. Alright, let's see what the finishing product looks like on the other side. It looks good. Now let's see how it tastes. This right here. It looks so good. Look. Yes. See that steam coming from over there? Yes. Oh my goodness. Happy New Year, by the way. So delicious. Okay? Everything tastes so amazing. Look at that. How pretty that is. Okay? Get your greens. Yes. Cucumbers, spinach leaves, tomatoes, olives, raisins, yes. So good. When you're in the kitchen working, and then you get to finally sit down and taste your food. But I want to say Happy New Year. I hope you're off to a good start. As I stated before when I did those last hauls, whether I'm going in Walmart, Big Lots. I haven't been in Target in a while. But I hope you're enjoying my content. Okay, I haven't did one of these in a long time. So yes, this is so good. But y'all, I thought I'd come in and do a quick little vlog to share with y'all what I was cooking, and I just wanted to go ahead and sample it right before you, and then I did make some shrimps. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and say thank you so much for visiting me. I hope you enjoyed this little cooking vlog, okay? Or whatever is going on, the rest is going on in this clip. But I most definitely want to say thank you for visiting my channel, hanging out with me. Make sure that you like, share, and subscribe. And of course, I will catch you back here on my next video. Peace.